All right, today I do a Luchador Doodle. Welcome to the Charlie Doodle experiment. So as usual, I start off with an airbrush rough just to kind of get, the size of the face in there and how I'm going to eventually hopefully end up. And then I go ahead and went over it with a digital kind of Sharpie tool. But the catch here is you have to draw the head and the face to get all the proportions there in place before you draw the mask, because I've done it the other way and it doesn't turn out so well. Also, you're probably noticing that the eye holes and the opening around the mouth are really large. That's because I've worn a luchador mask in the past and they are really uncomfortable. They're hard to see out of and they're hard to breathe out of. So this was kind of my dream mask to put together if I was going to do, have one made, or if I was just to go out and buy one, this is what I would look for. But this one, it's totally made up. There's no luchador out there with this mask. This is something I just totally created. So green with kind of the lightning bolt graphics on it. With flat colors, no blending, no watercolors or anything like that. So anything I throw on top of that as far as shading is just more solid flat colors. I like the green and the yellow. It looked pretty good, so I figured I'd throw an orange background on it. But I also did a black and white version for a zine, and you'll see it right there. Okay, awesome. Hey, thanks for sticking around. Comment, like, subscribe. I hope you like this one, and I'll see you around. Thanks.